The Regional Democratic Alliance convened its first meeting yesterday, uniting the United Democratic Party and Hill State People's Democratic Party to strategize for the 2025 MDC elections for the Khasi Hills and Janta Hills Autonomous District Councils held at Shillong Club. The two-hour discussion focused on whether the parties will contest independently or jointly under the RDA banner. A follow-up meeting tomorrow will finalize the election strategy and candidate announcements.
It is a first meeting. We just had a discussion how to go about it. What is the opinion of the members of the RDA regarding the election of MDC election? So we had decided that we will meet again on the 11th of this month at 8 p.m. to finalize the strategy, the decision, how to go along regarding this MDC election. Whether we will go for pre-poll alliance or we will have adjustment, we'll have understanding regarding the setting up of candidate in respective constituency.
The Meghalaya Cabinet